Ngiyacela, please don't watch this video. Dlula, please, dlula. Ezinye izinto you are never meant to know. Sanibonani. Ngizwe kuthiwa that no, dlula, please, dlula. Asiqale. Once upon a time, a long time ago, ngama 1730, 1780, there was a ship, and igama lale ship was iZong. You see, the ship was responsible for transporting abantu from West Africa to Jamaica, and from Jamaica to England. Understand ukuthi le ship was responsible for transferring izigqila abantu abamnyama. Understand-ke mntu omnyama ukuthi the ship and its cargo, aka abantu abamnyama, was insured with Gilbert and Company, which is a London insurance syndicate, i-franchise yayinkulu, which was insuring ama-ships that were responsible for ukuthatha abantu abamnyama e-Afrika ibayise eJamaica, iphinde basuse eJamaica ibayise e-UK. Yes, understand ukuthi the captain of iZong was Captain Luke Collingwood. He was a former ship sergeant owapromotwa, kodwa he had no experience as ukapteni. Now, iship yethu yasuka eLondon yaya eJamaica, yasuka eJamaica yalinka straight yaya e-Africa, e-West Africa, iyolanda abantu izigqila, abantu abamnyama. Immediately after the ship arrived, understand ukuthi they went to take approximately 442 yabantu abamnyama to go work for them, free labor. Understand ukuthi the legal capacity for their ship was 240. That means babe overcrowded by abantu abawu 200 bonke ababe extra kuleya ship. Understand ukuthi babezosuka eGhana naseNigeria mese beshona phi eJamaica. The ship itself was filled over capacity with abantu abamnyama. Understand ukuthi they had 200 extra yabantu abamnyama that were meant to go work as free labor le e-England. Understand the situation yokuthi umuntu omnyama wayefakwe inecklace emqalweni, efakwe inecklace ezandleni, futhi wakahlale phansi and be obedient. Ngo-August 1781, iship yasuka from West Africa. We don't know whether it was eGhana noma eNigeria, but yasuka from West Africa iye eJamaica. It should have taken them 6 to 8 weeks ukuthi bafike eJamaica, but instead they got lost at sea. Yes, and then it took them more than 3